In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link tables in Airtable. We'll walk through linking two existing tables so information stays in sync across your base. This is great for relationships like authors and the tutorials they've written, products and vendors, or clients and projects. Start by opening Airtable and heading into your workspace. Then open the base you want to work in. From there, navigate to the authors table. You should see a list of author records with their names. Our goal is to connect these records to the corresponding entries in the tutorials table, so each author can be associated with the tutorials they created. In the authors table, add a new field using the plus icon to the right of your existing fields. Name this field tutorials so it's clear what it holds. For the field type, choose link to another record. When prompted, select the tutorials table as the target. Keep the default settings unless you have a reason to change them, and then create the field. Airtable will automatically create a corresponding field on the tutorials table, which maintains the relationship in both directions. Now let's add a link. In the new tutorials column on the authors table, click into a cell for an author and choose a tutorial title from the dropdown. You'll see a linked record appear as a little pill. That confirms the connection is set. To verify the relationship works both ways, switch to the tutorials table. Open the tutorial you just selected and look for the linked field that Airtable created. You should see the corresponding author listed there automatically. That's the key benefit of linked records. Update one side and the other side reflects the change. Head back to the authors table and add another tutorial to a different author by clicking the add option inside that same tutorial cell. Pick a second tutorial from the list. Again, the link appears instantly. Return to the tutorials table, open that tutorial, and you'll see it's now connected to the right author. A few quick tips as you work. Name your linked fields clearly so teammates understand the relationship at a glance. If one author can have multiple tutorials, make sure the field allows linking to multiple records. If it's strictly one-to-one, keep it single. After linking, consider using lookup or rollup fields to surface related details, like pulling a tutorial's publish date into the authors table. And remember, you can always edit or remove a link by opening the cell and adjusting the selected records. That's it, your tables are now linked, clean, and reliable.